Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best bike roof racks for cars in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best bike roof racks for cars. Starting at number 5, we have the Spec-D Tuning Adjustable Roof Top Crossbars. Spec-D Tuning's crossbars are a pair of cargo bars for vehicles with raised side rails. The pair is beautifully designed and made using high-quality aluminum. They will carry a maximum load of 175 pounds, and they come with all the hardware necessary for their installation, including locks and keys as well, for locking the bars onto your vehicle. The bars are easy to install, and there are no modifications needed to have them fit your vehicle, except to adjust the clamps between 36 and 44 inches, so they can fit most vehicles. The clamps will not work when you have a vehicle with flush side rails. Vehicles like Nissan Xterra, Suzuki Vitara, Honda Pilot and Chevy Equinox, which all have flush side rails, are incompatible. The package comes with a 30 days money-back guarantee, plus a 90-day limited warranty. Moving on at number 4, we have the RhinoRack ski and snowboard carrier. There are times when you need nothing else but a system to safely transport your skis or snowboards. When that happens, then what you need is the ski and snowboard carrier from RhinoRack. This rack is designed to be universally installable, and is available in 3 different sizes: 2 ski for 2 pairs of skis or 1 snowboard, 4 ski for 4 pairs of skis or 2 snowboards, and 6 ski for 6 pairs of skis or 4 snowboards. This system features a universal fitting clamp, which allows it to be fitted onto any type of roof rack crossbar. There is an easy lock and release mechanism for the carrier, and it is designed to be operated with gloved hands as well. After installing the carrier, all you need is to load your skis onto the carriers, and then lock them. The grip which holds tight to your cargo is made from rubber, and you can also lock the carriers for security. The carrier is black-colored, UV-protected, waterproof, rust-proof and mold-resistant. It is designed to be sturdy, as well as efficient in safely transporting your snow toys. By having such an accessory on the roof, you will free up enough space inside the vehicle for a more comfortable ride. The carriers can also be removed as quickly as they were installed, and they come with a 5-year warranty. At number 3, we have the Thule Aeroblade Roof Rack Mount. Thule is a well-known brand when it comes to extra cargo and rack systems for automobiles. With the Aeroblade, Thule decided to tackle a problem that faces most vehicles with a roof rack. It is a well-known phenomena that high-speed wind interactions with objects such as roof racks generate noises based on the type of crossbar available. Also that these noises will best be heard with an open sunroof. Thule Aeroblade solves this air drag and noise problem by incorporating the most advanced aerodynamic principles, while maintaining enough tensile strength to convey your heavy loads up to 165 pounds. It is made from aluminum, but covered with a material that diffuses as much air as possible, thereby reducing the normally resultant noise. It is the best roof rack for cars or SUVs that you love to step on their gas pedals. Aeroblade is available in 4 sizes of small, 32 inches long, medium, 35.25 inches long, large, 38.25 inches long, and extra large, 42.38 inches long. It also requires a vehicle-specific kit, which is sold separately, in order to be properly installed. You can add extras like the Thule One Key, which uses just 1 key for 4 locks, to lock this rack to your vehicle, thereby increasing your security measure. At number 2, we have the SportRack pre-assembled complete roof rack system. SportRack offers a pre-assembled and complete system with this offer, which is as easy to install, as well as it is to remove. The system contains everything in one package, and includes hooks, load bars, locks and every other item that you might need to install it. It is designed to fit most types of vehicle, including SUVs, sedans, minivans and the rest. The system is packaged in different configurations, and this means that you will have to look up your car's model from the fit guide, before you can then order a SportRack system. If you don't go about the purchase this way, then you might buy something incompatible with your vehicle. Each of the different configurations depends on the existence of side rails on your vehicle, else this roof rack will not work. The versatility of SportRack model State Route 1009 extends to other areas as well. The system will handle loads of up to 130 pounds, creating the much-needed car interior space for you and your family or loved ones. With its easy installation, weight capacity and proper engineering, SportRack State Route 1009 will help you towards a more enjoyable outdoor biking experience, as well as with other activities. And finally at number 1, we have the Wispbar Flush Bar Crossbar Roof Rack System. As much as the ability to carry more cargo with the vehicle is important, so too is the question of aesthetics. Simply because the roof rack does an important job, does not mean that it should not look good. In fact, there are roof racks that look very good by themselves, and also give the vehicle they are mounted upon some style. The Wispbar Flush Bar is one such crossbar. It will give you style on the road. The Flush Bar's design is luxurious and sporty, and it will make your vehicle look just that way too, luxurious and sporty. It was engineered to reduce drag by up to 70% using aerodynamic principles. This reduction in drag, in turn, reduces noise and improves fuel efficiency. Moreover, that sporty look from its aerodynamic design, makes the Flush Bar to appear almost like a sporting accessory, improving thereby your vehicle's looks. It comes with integrated SKS locks included, and it can be quickly attached in seconds, as well as also removed so quickly. In order to properly install it on your vehicle though, you will have to reference the Flush Bar fitting information, to find out which number is the perfect fit for your vehicle, as there are many versions. The Flush Bar is rated at 165 pounds, 75 kilograms, maximum weight capacity per pair of Flush Bars. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.